Shocking, why do we get hiccups? Thoughtful face emoji, ever wondered why you suddenly start hiccuping at the most random times? It's not just a weird quirk of the body, glowing star emoji. Most people think hiccups are just an annoying reflex, but there's a fascinating science behind it. When you hiccup, your diaphragm, the muscle that helps you breathe, gets irritated. This irritation causes a sudden, involuntary contraction, and when your vocal cords snap shut, that's the hic sound. It can be triggered by eating too fast, drinking carbonated beverages, or even stress. But here's where it gets interesting. Some scientists believe it's a leftover reflex from our aquatic ancestors, used to prevent water from entering the lungs. And that's why the next time you hiccup,